A bizarre arrest in Manhattan Beach. Police say a homeowner called in after noticing food missing from their garage refrigerator.
CBS LA assignment editor Mike Rogers is at the desk. And Mike, when police got there, they made an unsettling discovery.
Yeah, Pat and Rita Bay, it's kind of a weird thing to say, yes, I called the police because food was missing out of my refrigerator. But they clearly were onto something, because when the Manhattan Beach Police Department got to the home, they found this guy living in their garage. And it was the missing food that finally tipped them all off. Now, Manhattan Beach Police didn't give a ton of details on how long the man had been in there, how he got in the home, and why it took so long to figure it out or to realize that this was going on. But say they were happy that this homeowner ultimately called them. They came out and were able to search the garage. The Manhattan Beach Police Department says this is a great reminder to make sure you are locking up your garage and any other exterior items that you may have access to somebody to be able to get into. And again, it's unclear how long the man had been in there, but long enough for these homeowners to realize they were consistently missing food from their refrigerator, and then get to the point where they realized, okay, we got to call law enforcement. So Manhattan Beach PD came out. It's unclear kind of what history this guy has. We did reach out to them to get a little bit more details on the story, but tonight we know that he was at least arrested for that residential burglary. Guys?
Okay. Well, it's good they responded.
Yeah.
Okay. It's nice to have a refrigerator in the garage. A little extra. Okay. Thank you.